Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Nowadays, the development of technology has allowed computers and mobiles to translate language automatically. Do you think the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? The rapid advancement in technology has resulted in the addition of more advanced features in the modern modes of communication which help in making interaction possible in different languages without learning them. This helps in traveling to other nations as these gadgets remove the language barrier and interaction becomes easier. However, the language is not restricted to the communication only, rather it gives the knowledge of culture and lifestyle. To start with the major advantages of the software translating languages, people traveling to other countries can easily read the signboards or instructions mentioned with the help of this facility. They do not find problem while traveling and will not be misguided as the mobiles are helpful in reading and translating the written language. For instance, France attracts a lot of tourists and many of them do not know French, so the mobiles help in visiting local areas and having food in a local restaurant as menus are translated in other language. Apart from this, the businesses operating at the global level can leverage this technology to interact with the clients and partners worldwide. These benefit them to scale their business besides being cost-effective and convenient as there is no need to hire translators. The computer-based software is usually free or inexpensive and available at the fingertips, further provides solution to the problems. However, the easy availability of translating software hinders the motivation to learn other languages, so the people become reluctant to learn new language. Consequently, the thorough knowledge and the mastery of the languages cannot be attained, so the deep understanding of the culture may not be there. In conclusion, the advantages of the computers being translators are far more as we are in the high-tech era where survival is easy and plausible due to the modern devices. Although some drawbacks can be there, but the impact can be minimized if the usage is appropriate and in limit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.